In your home, there is one place where the primary energy is water. In Feng Shui, water not only represents wisdom and flow, but also directly symbolizes wealth. This place is the bathroom. However, if the water of wealth in your home is constantly draining away, then no matter how much good fortune flows in, it will be difficult to retain. Imagine your home is a reservoir. The front door is the inlet, responsible for taking in wealth, and the bathroom is the main outlet for the entire reservoir. An improperly designed bathroom is like an outlet with a loose valve, constantly leaking water. Day and night, it will quietly drain away the wealth and health energy of your home. In many cases, this is the true source of a wealth leak in Feng Shui. Our task is to tighten these invisible valves. So, how do you check for and fix the wealth leaks in your bathroom? Please check these 3 most critical spots immediately. Spot number 1. Is your toilet lid always open? The toilet is the primary drain in the home, a place where turbid qi and water energy flow downwards and away. When not in use, always keeping the toilet lid closed is the simplest and most effective Feng Shui action to close the wealth-leaking valve. Spot number 2. Is your faucet or pipe dripping? A dripping faucet not only wastes water resources. In Feng Shui, it is a direct symbol that your wealth luck is continuously dripping away. Please fix it immediately. Spot number 3. Is your bathroom located in the heart or wealth corner of your home? If your bathroom happens to be in the geometric center of your home, the Tai Chi point, or in your personal wealth corner, this is like opening a drain hole right in the middle of your treasury. This is a formation that needs to be taken seriously. The remedy is to always keep this bathroom extremely clean, dry and bright, and to place a soil-cultivated pothos plant wood here. Use earth the soil to control water, and wood the plant to drain the water's energy. The management of your home's energy lies in these daily details. Only a reservoir that doesn't leak can truly accumulate abundance. Go and check the drains in your home today. A small action, like closing the toilet lid, is the beginning of safeguarding your own wealth energy. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue to explore another wealth bowl in the home, the kitchen. Thank you for watching.